Hello, my name's Daniel and I'm from the content team here at Off2Class. In this video, I would like to introduce the Off2Class Business English curriculum, something that we are very excited to be able to bring you. Firstly, why have we developed an Off2Class Business English curriculum? Well, Business English is something that has been repeatedly requested by our enterprise users. The market for Business English continues to grow, and we're keen for our enterprise users to be able to gain a larger proportion of this expanding market by diversifying their offering. What then is the Off2Class Business English curriculum, and how is it different from other Off2Class lesson content? Well, at a basic level, the Off2Class Business English curriculum comprises 40 thematic units, each consisting of 4 lessons, giving a total of 160 lessons, and covers a CEFA range of B1 to C1. There will not be Business English content at lower levels, as such learners do not yet have the requisite language ability to gain meaningfully from English for a specific purpose. A1 or A2 level learners should instead work their way through the step-by-step curriculum, building these baseline language skills, and then starting their study of Business English from B1. Because the Business English curriculum is CEFA mapped in the same manner as the step-by-step curriculum, the language content between the two is linked. In other words, a given language point will be covered at the same level of each curriculum. So if a student is struggling with, for example, first conditionals during the B1 Business English curriculum, the teacher can use content from the step-by-step curriculum to reinforce the language point. In this way, the curricula can support one another. A document outlining this will be made available once the full Business English curriculum has been released. Each unit of the Business English curriculum is based around a business-related theme, such as negotiating or describing products, and contains 4 lessons, of which the first 3 focus on developing language skills through a range of reading, writing, listening, speaking, vocabulary, and grammar activities. These lessons are similar in approach to those in the step-by-step curriculum. The 4th lesson in the unit is a case study, which applies the language and skills developed in the previous 3 lessons to a real-life scenario. Research shows that language learners progress most efficiently when they are able to make connections between what is learned in class and what occurs outside of the classroom. Helping students to develop these links is the goal of the case study lessons. Units also feature a series of recurring characters and companies around which events develop, leading to a task to complete or a problem to solve during the final case study. Individual lessons in the Business English curriculum feature tasks designed to develop business-related skills, such as negotiating, expressing ideas, and describing products and services, with business-related language and vocabulary introduced to this end. Lessons include challenging listening activities with specially recorded authentic dialogues designed to prepare students for the realities of using English in the business world. Lessons also come with full teacher notes and homework activities. Let's take a look at an example from the Business English curriculum. The lesson slides have been designed to have a professional look and a consistent format. This is standardized across all levels of the business curriculum, giving them a different look and feel to the other content on the Off2Class site. We are very happy to be bringing you the Off2Class Business English curriculum. If you would like any further information, please do not hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for listening.